In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your work, submit your work, and respond to feedback or ask questions. So once you've logged on to Google Classroom, you need to make sure you've clicked on Classwork, the tab at the top over here. Look for the subject that you're going to complete. You can do that by clicking on the shortcut over on the left, or by scrolling down on the page. I'm going to use maths as an example, so I can either scroll down to maths and then click on today's work, or I can click using the shortcut here onto maths. When you find the work which will have today's date on it, click on it and it will bring you to a page that looks like this. You'll find that you have a set of instructions guiding you on what to do. So this says read through the slides to recap long division. Do your working out on a piece of paper and write your answers on the activity sheet. So I can start by looking at the slides, and on the slides I'll find some information. By clicking on it, it will open. I won't be able to edit these slides, but something like a fast 5 I can do in my head, I can do on a piece of paper, or on something that I can write on at home. So make your way through a lesson. You'll find answers to questions you've been asked, and you might be asked to reflect during the lesson. Eventually you'll make your way to your task. Now it suggests that I need to choose a task and record my answers on the activity sheet. So to go back to the activity sheet, I return to the tab that I opened, and I can see that my work is up here on the right. That is my activity sheet. When I click on it, it will make a copy for me. On this sheet, you can see the different questions are available. So I can choose my task. Let's say I was going to use green, and then I can record my answers to the questions here. In this case, I don't need to show my working out. I can record my answers, and I might have done my working out on a piece of paper. Once you're done, on the top right of your screen, you can see an option called Turn In. That will submit your work to the teacher. So I can click Turn In, and my teacher will receive the work. You'll then be prompted to click Hand In to make sure you are certain that you want to hand your work in. Just click Hand In. If you need to make changes, you can click Cancel, make the changes, and repeat the process. Once you've handed in your work, you'll be returned to this screen. On this screen, you will see any comments from your teacher, and you can also make comments yourself. And your teacher can reply to any questions or give you some tips to help you on your work. If you have questions before you submit the work, on the screen where you begin the work, you can type in any questions you have using the comments box. When your teacher has looked through your work, they will send it back to you. To access any work, you can use the View Your Work section. On View Your Work, you can see all the work that has been assigned to you. You can see here the maths lesson that I just completed has been marked as handed in. When a teacher has finished looking at your work, this will say returned. You can click on it, and then you'll be able to see any comments and open the document to see if your teacher has made any changes or pointed anything out on the sheet for you.